SoundCloud is a widely used platform that allows individuals to explore and enjoy new music. However, imagine being able to earn money online by simply listening to music. Regardless of where you are from, whether it be India, the United States, Nigeria, Pakistan, United Kingdom, UAE, or any other country, you have the opportunity to earn money every day by listening to music on SoundCloud. But before that, subscribe to my channel to stay updated whenever I drop a new video about making money online with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification to be the first to use the method and earn a good amount of money with these new and easy tutorials. That being said, it is possible to receive payments of tens, hundreds, or even more dollars simply by listening to music. For instance, listening to a single song can earn you $3.50, while listening to 10 songs can earn you $35, and listening to 20 songs can earn you $70. If you listen to 50 songs every day, you could potentially earn $175. The best part is that this opportunity is entirely free, which means you don't need to invest any money to get started. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer to listen to music, and you can repeat this process as many times as you like. To start, I suggest visiting SoundCloud.com, which is a website where you can find and listen to a wide range of music genres. Signing up for SoundCloud is completely free, and you can access trending music in various languages. Additionally, you can download the SoundCloud app for free on both iPhone and Android devices. On Android, you can find the app in the Google Play Store with over 6 million reviews, and similarly, you can download the app from the App Store on your iPhone. Once you have downloaded the SoundCloud app on your phone, you can easily explore new music. To do this, you can click on the Explore Trending Playlists icon located below the screen. This will direct you to a web page where you can find music organized into different categories. For instance, if you want to listen to music from a particular category, you can click on the relevant playlist and then hit the play button to start listening. After you understand how to use SoundCloud and find music on it, I would like to introduce you to another website that allows you to search for different song lyrics. Upon visiting aslyrics.com, you can access various song lyrics for different genres of music. This platform offers a vast collection of music, and if you want to search for the lyrics of a specific song such as Bruno Mars' Leave the Door Open, you can click on the provided link that will lead you to the song's dedicated page where you can listen to the music. I would like you to focus on the lyrics. As you can see, the song title and the complete lyrics are displayed, which provides a great opportunity for both of us to carefully listen to the music and transcribe the lyrics. Even a simple piece of music like this can help you earn a few dollars repeatedly. The next website on the list is rev.com, where you can find various work opportunities to transcribe music or video. Each audio minute is valued at $1.25, so if you simply listen to the music and transcribe it into lyrics, you can earn that amount on average. A regular song is around 3 minutes long, so you can earn $3.75 for transcribing one song. But now, before I show you how this works, give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in making money online, subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start with the first type of task that you can do, which is available worldwide and doesn't require any initial investment. It's also very easy and fast, and you can earn $1.25 for every minute of audio you transcribe into written lyrics. For example, if you listen to a song on SoundCloud and turn it into text, you can get paid for each minute of audio you transcribe. SoundCloud has a lot of music, and they need people like you and me to transcribe it into written words. To get started, go to the homepage and scroll down to the freelancers section at the bottom of the page. From there, you can access freelance jobs that pay well and allow you to work from home. You can make money online by transcribing or captioning audio and music files from the comfort of your home, and you can work on any schedule you want. You can work for as little as 30 minutes or as long as 3 hours, and you can choose from hundreds of tasks on rev.com. You'll be paid every week through PayPal, and the payment is always on schedule. On this website, there are 2 main types of jobs: transcriptionist and captioner. Choose a transcriptionist and click on Learn More to find out more about this website, the type of work available, and how to join and be approved to start transcribing music and audio files for money. To sign up now and become a Rev transcriptionist, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the button provided. Before we dive into examples of how you can transcribe using this free software and ways to maximize your earnings, let me introduce you to another website where you can sign up and work on various transcription jobs. The second website to consider is GoTranscript.com, which pays a high rate for online transcribing work. They offer 86 cents for every audio and video minute transcribed, a rate that is considered very high. For instance, a typical 3-minute music piece can earn you $2.58. One tip is to sign up for multiple platforms, such as GoTranscript.com and Rev.com, to find various job opportunities globally. GoTranscript.com allows you to work from home, provides support when you have issues, and pays you via PayPal on a weekly basis. You can work on your preferred schedule and find different projects to transcribe, including various music genres. To begin earning money on this platform, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page by clicking on the Work button, and then apply by filling out the necessary details on the login page. It's that simple to start. After registering on both websites, you can now start earning money online by listening to different types of music and converting them into written lyrics. This is the next step towards making money on these platforms. To make your transcribing work easier, I suggest that you use otranscribe.com, which is a free online app that can assist you with your work. Once you arrive on the website, click on the blue button to start transcribing. You can select the music you want to transcribe and either download the file or receive a link to the music. For example, on SoundCloud, you can find a share button that will give you a link to the music. You can either download the music using the link or upload the music file directly to the software by clicking the upload button. This free tool will automatically transcribe the music into words, although there may be minor grammar or spelling errors that you will need to fix. Using this free application will make your work easier and simpler. Additionally, I have a bonus tip that can help you increase your earnings. When you visit Rev.com, you'll see that the average pay for a transcription job is only $1.25 per minute. But if you work on foreign subtitles, you can earn between $3 to $7 per minute, which is a substantial amount. SoundCloud is a great platform to find music in various languages, such as this one in English that many people are unfamiliar with, or this one in another foreign language that people may not know. Transcribing music from different genres and languages can be challenging, which is why you'll be paid significantly more if you can do it in more than one foreign language. Another free tool you can use is www.deeple.com, where you can use a translator to convert anything from any language of your choice. You can either translate a piece of music written in German into English, or a piece of music written in English into any language you want. Alternatively, you can upload the entire audio file into the program and let it do the work for you. Here is another no-cost resource that could aid you in earning additional income online, as demonstrated here with potential earnings of up to $7 per minute. The available jobs and their pay rates can vary depending on your location. Furthermore, you can listen to diverse genres of music and transcribe them into written texts or lyrics to receive compensation. Finally, subscribe to MoneyFlow to stay updated. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video if you want to make more money from another website by rating apps and writing a positive feedback and being paid. Then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.